need to assemble concrete pump. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Concrete pump. Pump. Hooray! Pour concrete for a foundation. Now we need to wash it clean. Concrete pump. You're doing really great. We need to assemble drop side truck. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's build the first floor. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing! You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble drop side truck. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. We did it! Let's build the second floor. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. We have to assemble lift crane. Keep up the good work. First, we have to fill it. Lift crane. Pump. Amazing! We will make a roof. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Done! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Amazing! Install the doors and windows. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. We did it! Filling. Drop side truck. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Weatherproof walls. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Bucket lift. We did it! Filling. Bucket lift. Pump. Don't stop. paint our house. Let's wash. Bucket lift. We did it! We have to assemble mini loader. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Mini loader. Press the pump. Hooray! Prepare the yard. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. We did it! We did it! We have to assemble drop side truck. Hooray! Filling. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Keep it up. Plant greenery and flowers. The wonderful house with the garage is complete. Way to go!